place David Cuff, and in third place is Neil Brown, the engine specialist, and then the Alpha is alongside one of the blue Cortina, which is that Mark Suffolk, I think.
Yes, that could well be, yeah. Thankfully, Neil Brown, I think, they are slotting through into the lead as they went into Brooklands, but it's jockeying